I had no idea it would take me so long to sort out the extinguisher pull and the electric cutout. The biggest issue I've got is the routing of the pull cable. So you can see that I've got it round here. I've put it through there. I'm going to seal it up with some silicone rubber so that I don't get leaks around it once it's pulled right through. But it was difficult to figure out which way to route it because I didn't want it to go over the top of the tray that goes across here, because that means that if I take the tray out, I'm going to have to remove the fire extinguisher pull. And similarly, I didn't want to cause any leaks so that rainwater coming down off the windscreen and across this sort of scuttle thing ends up, going into the engine bay, particularly going into anywhere near the ECU box. So I eventually decided on this position here. I think it'll work. I hope it does. The other issue is it's a long run from here to the back seat where my fire extinguisher is, and so I had to make sure that I took the shortest route possible, really. Now you can see down there the yellow bung thing, a blanking plate that is used to blank off the steering column hole for a left-hand drive car. It's made of a rubber stuff, and I just drilled through it. I have already fed the fire extinguisher cable through, and I know it comes out in the right place in the passenger compartment. So then I can take it from there and run it all the way back. Anyway, once I've got that fitted, I'll cut in some more video here and show you what I've done. The cable's now in position, and I've pulled it through the bulkhead. You can see it's just laying in the tray thing here at the front of the in front of the windscreen, laying across there, then going up through there. There's enough of a gap here so that the air filter, the environmental filter or whatever it is, for the ventilation, that fits on okay. So that all works. And then it goes down through under there, through the yellow blanking plate. I've then got it here, as you can see. I need to pull a bit more through. Then I'm going to tie that up to there, and then cable tie it along the length of the fire extinguisher pipe. The same as the other one is the internal one. This is the internal pull, and this is the external one. And it looks as though I've got plenty of spare cable at the end to loop it round and then put it into the extinguisher. So it's all in. As you can see, I've just this is the external pull. The cable goes through, follows the same sort of route as the internal, but then I've had to free it there. I couldn't follow the pipe because it's really tight, and it only just about makes it to the top of the extinguisher. But it's in there. I think I'm happy with it. I would have liked, actually, I should have bought a slightly longer pull. This was the one that came with the extinguisher, but I could have bought a 4 meter pull, which is I think this one's 3.6, so that would have given me a bit more slack and enabled me to route it closer, because at the moment, as you can see, the cable's actually laying, well, it's not laying, it's sort of floating in midair, which I'm not madly keen on, but I'm not going to pull it all out just for that.